Create seamless indoor-outdoor flow for a big family house kitchen by designing transitions that treat the outdoor dining area as an extension of the cooking and entertaining zone. Start by choosing multi-panel sliding or bifold doors sized to open the full width of the wall, so sightlines and movement are uninterrupted. Measure rough openings and factor in stacking or folding clearances. Then select heavy-duty tracks and rollers rated for frequent use and high wind loads. Level the threshold with a flush or low-profile system to enable easy movement of people, carts, and children without tripping, and use a durable thermal break to prevent heat loss and water ingress. Plan the indoor island so one face or end functions as a service station aligned with the primary outdoor prep path for passing plates and drinks. Ensure countertop overhangs and a designated landing zone for plates to reduce cross-traffic. Design a covered outdoor kitchen and dining area that ties to the interior materials palette with matching countertops, cladding, or flooring tones so the spaces read as one continuous area while using weatherproof materials rated for your climate. Integrate lighting layered for work surfaces, ambient dining, and landscape accents using hardwired circuits or weatherproof low-voltage systems, and include dedicated circuits for grills, refrigeration, and outdoor heaters to avoid nuisance tripping. Add active heating, such as infrared patio heaters or a built-in fireplace, and specify windscreens or retractable shades so the outdoor room remains usable into cooler months and during inclement conditions. Finally, coordinate drainage, roof overhang, and guttering with door selection to prevent water pooling at thresholds, and detail flashing and sill pan installation to maintain long-term performance. Common issues are door performance problems from improper installation, level threshold difficulties that create trip hazards, and a disjointed connection between the indoor island and outdoor prep zones. If doors bind or do not seal, check track alignment, shim the frame for plumb and square, and replace worn rollers with manufacturer-specified units to restore smooth operation. For thresholds that catch or collect water, regrade adjacent paving, install a flush sill system with a concealed drainage channel, and verify that the sill pan and flashing were integrated during installation. When the kitchen and outdoor counter workflow are mismatched, redraw the service triangle so the island acts as a pass-through, add a dedicated staging shelf on the outdoor side, and use consistent countertop heights to eliminate awkward handoffs. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors and browse project ideas relevant to indoor-outdoor flow for large gatherings, and we connect contractors with homeowners seeking work. We also host a discussion community where we share tips, ask questions, and learn from real project experiences.